For the pastry, mix egg, sugar, butter, and vanilla extract together and beat until creamy. Mix flour and baking powder together, then sift twice. Gradually add flour to the mixture and knead gently until a cohesive dough forms. Place the dough in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Take out the dough and separate 1/3 of it for the strips on top of the tart. Roll out the remaining 2/3 of the dough on a floured surface until it reaches a thickness of 1 centimeter. Place the rolled out pastry in a tart pan, removing any excess from the edges. Brick the pastry with a fork to prevent air bubbles during baking. Peel and thinly slice the apples. Mix them with sugar, flour, lemon juice, and cinnamon powder. Spread the apple mixture evenly over the pastry. Take out the reserved dough from the refrigerator and roll it out on a floured surface to a thickness of less than 1 centimeter. Cut it into strips. Arrange the strips in a lattice pattern over the apples, then brush with a mixture of egg yolk and milk.